Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Colombia together. This is Villamaria from the Caldas region. The variety is Colombia e Castillo Naranjal and the fermentation is a classic natural. Special about this coffee is that it's a chemical-free decaffeinated coffee. For more details, please visit our webpage. To get the best out of Villamaria into your cup, we recommend this recipe. You need 300 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees Celsius in your kettle. Prepare 19.5 grams of coffee and grind it on click 20 of your Comandante. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake for an even extraction. Alright. First pour. 50 grams of water over 5 seconds. Rather fast. Circular pouring for the blooming phase to get all the coffee wet and to let the CO2 from the roast process escape. After 20 seconds, the second pour of 100 grams over 10 seconds in soft circular pouring to release all the fruity and sweet flavors of Villamaria. After 1 minute and 10 seconds, the third and last pour of 150 grams over 10 seconds, active circular pouring, ending with a center pour for a rich and balanced body. Swirl at 2 minutes for an even extraction. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. If you aim for a lighter body, I recommend 92 degrees Celsius in the kettle. Enjoy Villamaria.